December is holiday season. I'm gonna show you how to change your intro and lower third so it's matched with the season. Where do you get your ideas from? Okay, now to have an idea, let's go to Google, good old Google. Okay, Christmas, so you have all this sort of stuff to play with. Okay, Christmas light is Christmas light. Okay, so but what happened? You trying to find out about Christmas decoration. This is some of the ideas you can play with. If you have your video, if you have your own decoration at home, video it, and you can make a clip out of that. Okay, that's one idea. Or you can do an animation, just a few elements. Okay, so right now we just have a Merry Christmas, the lights. Okay, so you can have Santa Claus PNG. It's easiest. Okay, this is kind of different Santa that we can play with. If you're gonna get from this, right, make sure it's free. Okay. The best way is this one. Okay. Open your Lumafusion, new project. Okay. The best way for your title is to go to your iPad graphic. Click on your iPad graphics. Now, there's a lot of cool. There's thousands, at least 1,000 here for you to play with. Okay. Now we're gonna look for something with a festive theme. It's free. Right, there you go. I have Santa. Different type of skin color. Okay, so I have Santa and Santa helper. Click on Santa. Okay. Now you have an animation. And the thing with this one, right, you can also expand it out, make it bigger. Scale. Okay. That's your Santa. Okay. So you can animate it if you want to. So do your normal animation. Ho ho ho, something like that. Okay. Just do a quick animation. Rough. Okay. Nothing dramatic. Santa is coming to town. You better watch out. You better say wow. Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay. Basically, you got the head there, right? And that's it. That's your free. This is your free graphic that you can play with. But how about the lower third? Similar process, okay? You just go and make your own lower third if you want to, or you can change this, okay, to match your lower third. I'm gonna show you my way of making a lower third, okay? It's more custom made, okay? Open Procreate. Now with Procreate and Lumafusion, it's go hand in hand. The imagination and the creativity is endless. The possibilities are endless. I'll show you what you can do with a simple animation in Procreate, okay? See the artwork here. This is an animation I made. The same Santa that I got from Apple. The same Santa in the display. Okay. It's a loop. So it's continuously, okay? Santa is coming to town. That's one way. And then if you don't know how to do animation, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that later, okay? But for now, this is more way too advanced for you guys. A lower third could be anything, okay? Okay, it could be the candy like this. Okay, I have a few here. The box. Okay, this is my lower third. And by the way, you're gonna get it for free. That's right, my friend. Give me time, I will put this up on Gumroad for you to play around with. That's my gift to you. I have 5 here that I made so far. It takes some time, okay, to make this stuff. It's not like, hey, I got it straight away, you know? No, it doesn't happen like that, yeah? The Santa, the hat, Christmas tree, reindeer, and candy. So far, 5 only. Follow my instruction. See the description below of the links to where you can download this and play with it, okay? Just a lower third, okay? And the title, I need more time to develop that, okay? So give me time, and in due course, I will develop a title for you guys as well. It's free, but if you want to offer me some coffee, I love coffee. Now with the animation that I did with the center here, right? I can do the animation like that, right? The head go like that, but I made it so big, right? You can basically do pan and zoom if you want to, okay? So right now it's just a vanilla, the center just shake like that, right? But with Lumafusion you can animate it, okay? Do normally what you do, okay? So slightly punch in. There you go. Simple, classic. It's a short punch in. Nothing fancy. Then the thing like this, right? You can do many things with Procreate and Lumafusion hand in hand, and have your logo on top, okay? And you can animate that, and that is your intro. Gonna quickly do my one right now, so you know what are the possibilities, okay? I'll leave it down for you guys. Now I'll get my title in, okay, roughly. Let's do a rough job, okay? I have your center going with that, intro. Then you have your center and your logo. I haven't done a proper good job there. So make transition like that. And make it from here to zoom. Okay, let's play. Just a quick intro, no fancy stuff. Okay, boom, boom, and your intro. Something like that, okay? I don't have time to play around with it, but certainly that's how you do to make it to the festive season. So the theme could be Santa Claus, Christmas tree, Christmas light, deer, reindeer, okay, snow, socks, okay? So anything red and green and white, okay? That's the predominant color that we want to play with. So the possibility are endless with Procreate and Lumafusion, okay? And also check out my free Lumafusion lower tier, okay? It's free, check it out. My name is Travis Chow, I'm a TimelapseNuts. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. You'll find the content I supply to you is valuable. I'll see you next time with another tutorial.